Finding a pair of boots that truly check every single box, such as comfort, protection, and style, can feel like a real challenge. And that's exactly why I'm so impressed by these waterproof Chelsea boots from Comfy Moda. I'm Rebecca with WTI, and these boots have seriously changed my everyday wear. From the moment I put them on, I could immediately feel the comfort. They're cushioned, supportive, and surprisingly lightweight, so not stiff or heavy like most waterproof boots can be. The Legend 2 fabric lining is soft and breathable, so my feet feel great even after long walks or busy days running errands. The cushion support makes all-day wear feel effortless, and the waterproof protection means I don't have to stress about light rain or damp streets. And style-wise, these boots are so versatile. They pair effortlessly with jeans, leggings, or casual outfits, and these boots have quickly become my go-to for just about any occasion. I also love how easy they are to slip on and off, so no bending, pulling, or struggling. These boots are a total wardrobe must-have, and that's my point of view.